The Lord said, "Thou shalt not touch my anointed." Something about stealing was just kind of made it. But anyways, so even though I said I was protected, and everything is gone. As far as knowing I was protected, I didn't need you to tell me I was protected. I thought I was protected from fucking theft, grand theft, not fucking. As far as not worried about that, that's law. What against me shall prosper. You might get the right cheap bitch, but you will not get the left. So, anyways, there's a point to this. I hate you, God.